Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So there is one update about the Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur. The shortlist for the MBA program for the IIT Kanpur is out. So if you consider the eligibility criteria for the MBA program for IIT Kanpur, so for general EWS and OBC category, overall you should have 80 percentile or more marks in your CAT entrance examination. Then you must have completed minimum 3 years of bachelor's degree with minimum marks of 60% or a CPI of 6.0 on a scale of 10. Then if we consider the SC/ST applicants, then overall you should have 55 percentile or more marks in your CAT entrance examination. Then you must have completed a 3 years of bachelor's degree or an equivalent education with minimum 50% marks in your graduation or a CPI of 5.0 on a scale of 10. Then if we consider the stage 2, then shortlisting of the applicants will be based on the percentile in the CAT entrance examination. Then if we consider the stage 3, then stage 3 will be of group discussion and personal interview. So if we consider the group discussion and personal interview, then in that your academic background, work experience, performance in the interview, then your performance in the GD, PI, all these parameters will be considered, and on that basis the finally selected list of candidates is done. If we consider the weightage given in the final selection process for the IIT Kanpur, then in that 50% weightage is given to your academic performance and background, 30% weightage is given to your CAT 2023 score, and 20% weightage is given to your overall work experience. So if we consider the overall seats in the IIT Kanpur, then overall there are 78 seats for the MBA program. There are 27% seats are reserved for the OBC category, 15% seats are reserved for the SC category candidates, 10% seats are reserved for the EWS, and 7.5% seats are reserved for the ST, and there are 3% seats are reserved for the DAP candidates. Now if we consider the overall batch profile for the IIT Kanpur, then there are 5% candidates are the female candidates and 95% candidates are the male candidates. If we consider it in terms of the educational background, then there are 10.9% candidates have the academic background as an electrical, 38% candidates have the academic background from the mechanical, 14% are from the electronics, 24% are from the IT and CS, and 14% candidates have the background other than this. If we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 19% candidates have the work experience in between 0 to 11 months, 43% candidates have the work experience in between 12 to 23 months, 29% candidates have the work experience in between 24 to 35 months, and 9% candidates have the work experience of 36 months or more than that. So there are 35% candidates have the work experience in IT, 25% candidates have the work experience in consulting, 20% candidates have the work experience in manufacturing, and 20% candidates have the work experience other than this. If we consider about the placements, then the highest CTC offered with the IIT Kanpur is nearly up to 24 lakhs per annum. The median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 17.25 lakhs per annum, and the lowest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 12.41 lakhs per annum. There are top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 22.20 lakhs per annum, and if we consider the overall average CTC, then it is 18.14 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider the domain wise placements, then there are 14% placements are from the operations and HR, 15% placements are from the finance, 21% placements are from the marketing, 27% placements are from the analytics, and 23% placements are from the IT and consulting. Then if we consider the roles offered in the particular domain, then for the analytics domain, the roles offered are analytics consultant, data scientist, knowledge analyst, program associate, decision analyst, and business analyst. Then if we consider it for the marketing domain, then the profiles offered for the marketing domain are management trainee, product manager, business development, marketing executive, marketing manager, and project manager. Then if we consider it for the operations domain, then the profiles offered for the operations domain are supply chain manager, program manager, supply chain analyst, operation analyst, management trainee, and product supply manager. Then if we consider it for the finance domain, then the profiles offered for the finance domain are risk analyst, financial analyst, wealth manager, associate advisor, management trainee and portfolio manager. Then if we consider it for the IT and consulting, then the profiles offered for this domain are strategy consultant, associate consultant, technology consultant, analytics consultant, management trainee and senior analyst. Then if we consider the top recruiters for IIT Kanpur, then those are Maxini and Company, PwC, Deloitte, IndiaMart, ICICI Bank, HSBC, HDFC Bank, Cognizant, Infosys, Accenture Strategy, Citibank, Burger, and there are so many companies are over there. So this is all about the IIT Kanpur. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.